Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, November 28th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Share the video. Click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Origin Protocol. Intraday updates below. In the meantime, Origin US dollar. We definitely dipped below the support line. Not worried at all. If it comes down to 93, which is the next area of support, I would be buying it there for sure. I see a lot of resistance here turning into support. A reasonable line of support right now that I think I can dollar cost average into for sure. 93 cents again is support. Resistance now is locked at around $1.03. We're at $1 right now. We'll see how this thing pans out. Let's go over to Origin Bitcoin. Still, same thing. A little indecision over here, starting to break through some of the earlier support that we had. Certainly down a little bit, but kind of clinging on to this line of support at 1,800 and change. I think if we come down, we hit 1735 for a bounce. But in the meantime, it's hard to say on resistance, but roughly around 2,000 and change. Low 2,000s, maybe 2050 on the resistance area in terms of where I see this possibly hitting before it has a pullback. In the meantime, Bitcoin is over 54,000, still on that horizontal line. We've had this out there for a long time, as well as slightly under this blue line of support, but now currently resistance. So right now, support is 54,000, resistance, short-term resistance around 56. If we get through that, we start plowing through into the 60,000 area. We'll continue to monitor that. And in the meantime, Bitcoin dominance, I just drew this line, which is one support, cuts through nicely, definitely resistance. I think we have a line of resistance at 43 on Bitcoin dominance and a support area of 42. I think we're going to remain in between these for the remainder of the day. Tonight could be a little bit crazy because this is a 1% gap here. We could be in for some volatility, but could be good, could be bad. Volatility meaning if Bitcoin gets a nice bid, Bitcoin dominance could also crank up as well. However, if Bitcoin sells off dramatically, this thing could also go up as a fear indicator. In the meantime, real quick, people should understand this. Origin Protocol right now has around $380 million market cap. Why? Because there's around 380 million OGN coins out there priced at about $1. So that's how you get market cap. Now, the problem here is we have a $1 billion max supply that will be issued through time until it hits $1 billion circulating supply. So we only have 39% out there right now. Something also to look at. Now, while we see this circulating supply going up, for as steep as this curve here, we will have hit 50% of all supply by February 2022. That means after that, the amount of circulating supply that will be added will not be as much as it was back here. You could see it by the curve itself. It's a steep curve straight up, and then it doesn't get issued as much. So I'm anticipating February to be an area where you might start to see OGN really catching a bid, probably more so in that period of time. If demand is equal to where it is right now and you see Origin supply not on board as much, then you should naturally see the price of OGN go up. Not to mention the fact that it has a great use case and utility for NFTs and eventually DeFi, as well as the backers of that crypto, particularly the folks over at YouTube. In the meantime, that's all I've got right now, but keep your eye out on OGN. I think 93 cents, great place to buy. Bye.